Hello guys, this is Jeff Rel, I'm the Art Panda. I just got my iPad pencil too! Yay! Yay! So let's open the box. I've waited for like more than 2 weeks for this. I ordered it New Year, that's January 1st. And it took me like 16 days for me to receive it. It's quite fast. I was expecting it like the 22nd of January. There, so it was carefully packaged, and I'm really excited to open it. So what I'm excited to see is, yay, my name. So I had a free engraving for this iPad pencil. It's ordered online. So when you order online, you have the privilege to get a free engraving. And I can't wait to try it. The difference between the iPad pencil one and this one is this is a matte finish and there's no cover. Compared to the iPad pencil one, it actually is in smooth finish and there's a cover. So let's try it. There you go. So the iPad Pro 2018 recognized the pencil and it's actually charged. Okay. By the way, I got it for 7,990 pesos. So for me, this is really expensive, so I would really like to take care of it and make sure that I'll maximize and paint more using the tools that I have right now. So and your name's gonna be in all caps like this design, so it's a limited number of letters. Let me now try this using or on my favorite application, which is Procreate. I miss writing on the iPad. Okay. So smooth, and there's not much difference in the performance of the iPad Pencil 1 and this one. Excited to try it. One of the things I like when I write digitally is I don't care about the paper because you can always erase it anytime you want. And you can try as much as many brushes using your default brushes. So this one is, I'm using the calligraphy brush. Just playing on it for now. I don't want to paint since I am a little sleepy, and I wanna just do a test first today. Wow, that brush, love it. And see, there's unlimited ink as well. You don't need to buy, your markers. And it's so smooth to write on the iPad Pro 2018. Also look at the screen. Whenever I tap the body of the pencil, you have the option to go on the eraser mode. So that's the difference from the previous pencil, which I really like about the new one. So I can easily erase if I made a mistake. So that's it. So yun nga, so is it worth it? For me, it's really expensive. You really have to think twice if you really want to buy it because you can't use your iPad if you have the old iPad pencil. So you really have to buy this new pencil. Alright, so these are the things that I like about the new iPad pencil. First, you can actually have your name engraved on it. So see, I have my name on it. Second, and you can charge it wirelessly using your iPad itself. So you just have to attach it on the side of the iPad because it's actually magnetic. And then you don't have to worry about the cover that you will lose it because it's like just one unit. You don't have to worry about losing the cover, and it's matte finish. So but what I just don't like about it is it's really expensive. It's 7,990 pesos, so it's like $30 more than the previous pencil, and it was not available right away here in the Philippines, so I just have to order it through the website or online. Even the case, I have to order it online. It does not come with the tip. Compared to the previous one, you can actually change the tip of the iPad pencil. Now it's just this unit with in the box. I actually checked the reviews online. They said it's not durable, but of course, having said that this is expensive, I wanted to take care of it and don't, as much as possible, don't drop it. I'll be uploading some calligraphy and painting stuff on my channel. Again, this is Jeffrey. I'm the Art Panda. See you soon.